Welcome to Techie Treks. Today, we're going hands-on with Python for artificial intelligence. If you've ever wondered how to use Python for things like image recognition or chatbots, this tutorial is for you. We'll start simple, then build up to some exciting real-world AI projects, all in under few minutes. Part 1. Why Python for AI? Python dominates AI because it's simple, readable, and has amazing libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. With just a few lines of Python code, you can analyze data, build AI models, and even power chatbots and computer vision systems. Part 2. Setting up Python. To follow along, you only need Google Colab. It's free, online, and has Python and AI libraries pre-installed. Just open colab.research.google.com, then create a new notebook, and we're ready to go. Part 3. Python Basics for AI. Let's start small: Python syntax and data handling. After creating a new notebook, click on the button plus code as in the video. Then write the following program which calculates the mean for an array of numbers. After you finish coding, press Run All, and you will see the mean printed on the screen. Python's clean syntax makes it easy to manipulate data, the foundation of every AI system. Part 4. First machine learning model. Now, let's train our first simple AI model using scikit-learn. Let us write the following program. After you finish coding, press on Run All, and with just these lines, Python predicts the output of unseen data. This is machine learning in action. Part 5. Real-world example in image recognition. Artificial intelligence shines in computer vision. Let's build a simple image recognizer using TensorFlow and Keras. Let us write the following program which learns to recognize handwritten digits with over 90% accuracy. Imagine extending this to detect cars, faces, or even medical scans. After you write the code, you press on Run All and the program starts learning the model. You can see the accuracy of recognition is amazing, around 97.57% overall. Real-world example: Chatbot. Let's build a super simple chatbot in Python. Let us write a rule-based chatbot. It's basic, but the same idea can be expanded with natural language processing to make a smart AI assistant like Siri or ChatGPT. After you write the code, press Run All to start playing with the chatbot. Data visualization with Python. AI is not just about models, it's also about making sense of data. Let's visualize our dataset with Matplotlib. Let us write the following visualizing program which helps AI engineers understand patterns in data before training models. After you write the code, press Run All and you will get the result of a graphical visualization. This is a simple data visualization which can help understand the data at hand. Putting it all together. So far, we have written our first Python code, built a basic machine learning model, created an image recognition network, built a mini chatbot, visualized data. This is the toolkit every AI beginner needs. Python is the backbone of AI. From recognizing images to powering chatbots, the possibilities are endless. In future tutorials, we'll explore deep learning, natural language processing, and real-world AI projects. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Techie Treks, and let me know in the comments what AI project you want to build next. Thanks for watching.